Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing a new game, Skatebird. I just installed it. It's a 12 and over. It looks really cool, so we're gonna just hop straight into it. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Whoa, Chicky! Man, Chicky doing some ollies there. That's hilarious. Right, Skatebird. Begin adventure. And he's really skating again. I like this music though. It's brilliant. Well, control, go speed. Oh, Airtox achievement. They've trained you well. Species. Budgie! One on headphones, yep. One on face, no, none. Skateboard. Video game, brilliant. So how do I do it? Oh! Okay, left joystick to move. Well, what if I press A? Do I jump? Oh! Whoop, whoop, woo! Hey. Or grind. Grind and lip. Y, okay? So how... I'm just doing anything, really. Wait! Oh, God. Flip stick. I can flip stick. Hey, look at that. I might be the best skating bird ever. Ah! No! Where's my skateboard gone? Oh, God. Ah! Now, what is that? Well, at least I respawned. God. So how do I grind exactly? Right, so I grind. Y. Press Y. Oh, and now what? Grind and lip. Grab trick. Whoa. Okay. I just shake my head a bit. Right. Oh, what a grind. I actually grinded there. Man, this is the best game ever. Huh. Skating bird. Man, I'm gonna try and do a really big grind. I'm probably gonna fail, but here's my try. Oh yeah. Oh, what a literal perfect grind. I'm getting good at this. These controls are really hard, but I'm getting good at it. Right, grind. Oh, 2 for 2. Oh yes. Right. Right, so kick, flip, grind. Oh, clean. Drop in. Oh, God. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna try and go up. I'm gonna try and go up this ramp, and then as soon as I go up this ramp, I'm gonna try and do a kick flip off, and then you'll see. So, kick flip, yes. Grind again. Oh, nice. I go around. I jump up. I grind. Hopefully. No, I don't. Ooh. I'm going to try and do like a cool drop in maybe. So, yeah, hopefully I can do a cool drop in. Ooh. Now I'm up. Right, brilliant. Ah! Now that failed completely. But this game's cool. This game's really fun. I love this game. If you haven't already, get it. It's really fun. It's like, ooh, what's this? Oh, it just takes you around here. But yeah, it's a really fun skating game. Oh, this is fun. But do I have to have like any like challenges or something like that? Now what do I do here? Oh. That failed. I'm gonna try to like explore the map. Down, down, and now up, grind. Oh no, that's sad. Can I grind this for some reason? I can. Now that's interesting. Oh, I'll try to do a kickflip. That's fun. Grind, grind, grind. Nice. But can I do this long grind? Ah, right. Right, so I'm gonna I'm gonna turn back. So jump, back, down. Right, are you ready, guys? Right, jump, and then grind. Oh god, that was the worst thing I've ever done. Oh, I tried to do a kickflip, but I didn't even jump. Whee! Hey, let's go. That I keep on dying a lot, but this is so fun. Now that was an accident. This is so unbelievably fun. It's just so fun. Right, up and then down. And then up and then down. And then I go up again. I go completely up and then down. And then I grind. I don't know what I did there. In replay right now, grind. I don't know what I did there. In replay right now, I don't know what I did there, but it still worked as a grind somehow. Oh goodness, this game is fun. Oh, and then in. Right, and now grind. I swear this game's so fun. No! This game's so unbelievably fun. I think there might be like different maps and like tricks to learn. Oh god, what am I doing there? Yeah, guys, I don't know. I don't know if there are maps or not, but you guys just like comment down below if I should like find some maps if there are. God, this looks like a big grinding spot. Right, grind. Oh yeah. Ah, I tried to do this like weird trick, but it didn't work. Right, I'm gonna try to do that all over again. Right, so up here, grind, grind. Hey, I'm grinding. Ah, no. I didn't have control. Hey, oh god, phew. Yeah, this game is so fun. Now that's a good grind. Oh, what was that? Right, go around in circles. Oh, I did go around in circles. This is so fun. Guys, you should really get it. God, this is fun. But yeah, guys, this is so fun. We're going on for like 10 minutes now, and I don't want to make it a really long video. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope what am I saying there? I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want more content like this, please like and subscribe because it helps me out a lot. Oh goodness, it helped me out a lot. I'm finding new tricks for you guys. So yeah, I'm trying to do my best. So please like and subscribe for more content on Skatebird. If you know about this game, please tell me some cool things, some cool tricks to do. This is my favorite grinding like position to be in. But yeah, whoa, that was cool. Instant replay grinding like position to be in. But yeah, whoa, that was cool. Instant replay. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Oh, if you have, please like and subscribe because it helps me out a ton. And I'm doing weekly videos and daily shorts. So please like and subscribe. If I get to 500, but whoa god, if I get to 500 subscribers before March, I'm start doing 2 videos a week. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this skating video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time for more content. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more Skatebird. And I'll see you guys next time in the next one. Bye.